This is my homemade electric scooter. Now with homemade devices, safety is very important. Safety comes first. And this has a lot of safety in it. It has a lot of LEDs so that it's super visible at night or even in the daytime when you ride in it, because visibility is very important. Now, these LEDs are just like fancy LEDs, but the main safety measure is the flag. The safety flag, because this safety flag actually has a lot of LEDs on it. Let me demonstrate. So you just switch on the switch and then all the LEDs switch on, including the safety flag. Now, LEDs are great and all, but they chew a lot of power that I don't have. My range is cut by a quarter because of all these LEDs, and the main problem is this LED safety flag can't be switched off. You can remove the power source, but you cannot switch it off by the switches, which is a problem. The other problem is, in order to change the colors of the safety flag, you have to use a remote of all things. Imagine going for a ride and then you have to carry a remote. That's sad. But these side ones and underneath LEDs can be controlled using apps, which is so cool. So it's time for an upgrade. I'm gonna be removing this safety flag and replacing it with this one. Well, the main question is, if you look at this, it's not really an upgrade, is it? It's like a downgrade. Well, you'll be wrong, because in this video you will see how I actually made this LED safety flag. So these safety flags, you can buy them. They're actually bike safety flags. But the main problem with these safety flags is the safety flag is actually cut into two pieces, and they are joined using a plastic piece. So the main problem is, when I connected it to the electric scooter and I went full speed, well, it broke. Well, that's the problem. It's made out of plastic, it broke. The other problem is, here it used to have a pin that used to hold this flag in. Well, it just fell out and I couldn't find it. I replaced it with electrical tape. The next problem was the thing that used to hold the flag in place. That thing fell off, so I replaced it with this fishing thing. Forgot the name of that. As you can see, this is the upgraded version. We have a metal tube here holding it in place with hot glue. Here, electrical tape, and here a fishing something. This is the upgraded version. Okay, let's begin. In this packet contains what makes that safety flag special. As you can see, these are the caution instructions. The 6 caution instructions. Opening up the packet. Boom. This is what makes the safety flag special. Yep, you are right. LED strips. Yes, you can buy your own safety flag with them built in, but they are expensive. So if you want to build your own, you just get yourself some LED strips. The one I got is 5 meters long and it was super cheap. It is controlled using an app. See, this is the QR code to the app itself. This is the manual that tells you how to control the LEDs. It operates at 12 volts, which is very important because that whole scooter operates, all the electronics operate at 12 volts. Okay, so now that we have the LED strip, we take our safety flag, this one, and then we start from the bottom going upwards. So this safety flag is 1.8 meters and the LED strip is 5 meters long. So that's why we're starting from the bottom. Okay, so the first step is finding where this connects. So it connects right here. So this would be our starting point. So okay, so it looks like they coiled it in the reverse way. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's fine. I'm guessing I'll just have to unravel it, which I didn't want to do, but I have no choice. Just like that, it's unraveled, and then we'll try to, wow, that should be good. Let's begin the wrapping. So finger and a quarter, somewhere there. We'll start here. Start here. Okay. Just give us more space. So in order to hold this part in, you'll have to use tape, normal tape. Like that. Now I can continue wrapping it. Right, so the last time I did the flag, I did because of the remaining LED strap left, I did another layer on top. I don't know if I should repeat that or not, or is it just a waste? So what I'm thinking is, if it's just a waste, I'm thinking I just cut it. Okay, so this is where you cut the strip, so I'm gonna cut it. Let's hope I don't regret this. Like that. It's cut. It's done. There's no going back now. So now I just have to wrap that. Put some tape on it. That should be enough. Look at how gorgeous it is. This is perfect. Just like that. Now, all I have to do, I have to plug in what makes the magic happen, which is this. Just like that. Now it's connected. Bicycle computer. This is what's going to allow me to tell the speed of the electric scooter. This will be my next upgrade. The bicycle computer comes with the computer itself. It comes with a magnet that goes onto the spokes. It comes with the sensor. This is the sensor for the magnet. It comes with zip ties and it comes with a user manual. Now it's time to install all this onto the electric scooter. The LED strip has been installed. As you can see, look how beautiful it is. It's definitely an upgrade. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Right here. And then the second upgrade, the speedometer has been installed. As you can see, there's it right here. and the magnet is connected to the spokes as well. So let me demonstrate the LEDs themselves. Watch how beautiful they are. There we go. So it does look much better. This is definitely an upgrade. The speedometer is working great. As you can see, the LED strip is perfect. Everything, front LEDs, everything. The scooter is going well. We got the underneath, we have the side, we have the front lights, we have the rear lights, which is quite cool. LED strip looking good. On. The scooter is actually quite well balanced because I'm able to ride with no hands, which is quite good. No hand style. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.